news that we are getting for you at this point in time, and this is coming in from Tamil Nadu. It is about the Deepam controversy that is escalating now. Amid the Madurai temple's Deepam Rao, sources have informed your channel that the DMK, the ruling party, is planning to move an impeachment motion against the High Court judge, Justice Swaminathan. It has initiated the process of collecting signatures from members of parliament to move the resolution. That's the big news that we are getting for you at this point in time. Dharini, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Dharini, give us more details. Now it seems Madras High Court judge literally is on DMK's hit list.
We are given to understand through top sources in DMK that the party is planning to move impeachment motion against Justice G.R. Swaminathan. Justice G.R. Swaminathan is the one who delivered multiple judgments that allowed the holy lamp to be lit on the Deepathun in the Tirupparankunram hills. So the DMK has been telling that this judgment is it's judicial overreach, and that this judgment, in fact, it led to a possibility of a communal tension between two different communities in Madurai district of Tamil Nadu. In fact, a couple of days back, DMK MP Kanimoli, during a press conference, she told that Justice G.R. Swaminathan unnecessarily involved in this matter, and he gave a judgment that might potentially, it could have created a communal tension in Madurai. So now we're given to understand through sources that the DMK is planning to, move an impeachment motion against this particular judge. Apart from Kanimoli, we've seen several DMK leaders, including the spokespersons, make statements that are negative towards Mr. G.R. Swaminathan. They tell that his judgment is a judicial overreach, and that, in fact, he did not think through the government's point of view, the government side of the story, before making that judgment. So definitely we have to wait and see how this matter unfolds in the parliament in the coming days. But for the time being, what we can confirm through top sources is that the DMK is planning to do this. They're planning to move an impeachment motion, and as you rightly say, they are in the process of getting the required signatures. So if that comes through, then we'll be seeing a heated debate between the DMK and the BJP in the parliament on the same.
Right, and as we are speaking, Dharini, the information that you have got to us seems to suggest that DMK has also initiated the process of collecting signatures from members of parliament.
Well, definitely, they are right now into the process. They are in the process of collecting signatures, the required signatures from the members of parliament to move this impeachment motion. We have to wait and see how that is coming through in the coming hours. But, definitely the DMK is not happy with the judgment that came in from Mr. G.R. Swaminathan, because on December 3, Mr. G.R. Swaminathan is the one who, who gave a judgment that directed the temple administration, the Subramania Swami temple administration to light the holy lamp on the Tirupparankunram hills. So after the temple administration failed to abide by this particular judgment, a contempt petition was subsequently filed by one of the petitioners, and while hearing the contempt petition, Justice G.R. Swaminathan ordered the petitioner to take his supporters along with him.
Thank you, Dharini, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.